cones! Jin and Poli were right! This is all my fault! Jin, Robocar Poli Rescue Team, help! It's an emergency at the construction site! Micky is stuck! Oh no! We're on our way, Bruner! Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue! Oh my! Look at that concrete! No time for that now! We have to get him out! Helly, what does it look like from above? Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no!
The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing. That means it's getting thicker and turning into a solid. Gotcha, Micky. Hold on tight. He's not budging. Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too! Stop, Roy! You'll only get stuck deeper. This isn't just a pulling problem. Roy has no traction.
Traction. That's the grip your tires need to push or pull. The mud is too soft, so Roy's wheels just spin. We need to give him something solid to stand on. I know! The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads.
Helly, get your harness. Bruner, help Jin get those pads ready for her.
Okay, Bruner, perfect! I've got it! I've got it!
Coming in, Roy. Get ready.
Perfect, Helly! Going back for the second one! Activating! Stabilizer jacks! It's all about SU port. The jacks and pads spread Roy's weight out so he won't sink. Now he has a stable platform.
Okay, Micky, this is it. Mega winch. Pooh L. I'm moving. I'm moving. Pull, Roy. Pull.
He's free. You did it, Roy. Teamwork. You're safe, Micky, but you're gonna need a really big wash. Micky is a concrete statue. Jin, Poli, I'm sorry. I moved the cones. I thought I was being fast, but I made a dangerous mess. Admitting you're wrong is very brave, Bruner. Safety rules, like cones, are there to protect you and your friends. Remember, everyone, always follow the safety signs. Let's be safe together! Wait! Damn it, everyone! What's that sound? His backup alarm is broken! He can't see the wall! Titan! Stop! S-T-O-P! I've got it! Are you two okay? Wow, Poli, you saved us!
Roy can't hold it forever. The base is broken. We have to secure the wall.
No, Bruner! Stop! You're making it worse! The wall has lost all its structural integrity. We need to support it from the outside. Engineering. We need to build buttresses, angled supports that will push against the wall to hold it up. Those beams, I can push them into place. I'll do it right this time. A little to the left, Bruner. Perfect. Now push it against the base.
It's in place.
Great. Now one more. It's stable. Great job, Bruner. I really helped.
Titan, we need to get your backup beeper fixed. It's an important safety sound. Beep.
I will. Bruner, you learned 2 lessons today. Always respect safety cones. And don't push a falling wall. Teamwork and engineering can solve any problem. Another successful rescue. And that's why we always check our equipment. Micky, slow down. Bye-bye. Thanks for saving me. Huh. Whoops. Oh. Don't worry, Micky. I know how to get you out. Just don't use a shortcut. Thanks for helping us on our construction adventure. See you next time. Be safe. Today's safety tip. Always check your vehicle's safety sounds before you start work.
And remember, safety cones are your friends. Never, ever move them.
If you see a friend in trouble, don't try to fix it yourself. Call for help right away. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Look and listen for dangers.
See you next time, heroes!
Okay, Micky, grab on. I can't reach. Don't worry, Roy. I'll make a lever. Oof. Oof. Maybe we should use the winch. Good idea, Bruner. Thanks, Bruner. Okay, Micky, pull. Today we learned about viscosity. That's what makes concrete sticky and thick. We learned about traction. Roy needed stable traction pads for support. And we used engineering to build buttresses. Angled beams support the wall. Construction sites can be very dangerous, so never play there and always obey the signs. Whee! It tickles! Okay, I'm clean. Safety first! Oh!
That was a busy day. Bruner learned a very important lesson.
He sure did. I'm glad Micky is okay. That concrete was hardening fast.
One small mistake can turn into a big emergency. We always follow the rules.
Thanks for joining us. Be safe out there. Yeah!